bulletproof brand for Mercy Divine Properties Office. Hey, the #1 real estate company in Port Harcourt, Rivers State, Nigeria. Here, you heard me correctly. Hey, quickly come Madam Pekle Africa so that you can partake in this full package. Our Christmas package, you know how many things that we're giving you just to get one plot of land? Hey, 1 bag of rice, 1 full basket of hamper, gallon of vegetable oil, and carton of Indomie. If you get that kind of package, as a man, carry and go drop am for your wife. Christmas don't finish now. Everything don't balance. You just go and relax and enjoy yourself. Nobody go worry you, give me money for food stuff. You know wetin food stuff they talk for market. For this Christmas, you don't worry yourself. Just key into this Christmas package. Now Christmas promo. If you key in, you don't need to worry yourself for money when you go use give madam for Christmas again, you understand? So call me, may you get your own plot. A plot is 7 million naira for 1 plot in New Banana Island, and then we have service estate called PrimeRose Court inside New Banana Island, and that one is going for 12 million naira. If you hear, say I hear. And the number to call is 090-342-96519. Madam Pekle Africa dey here, and the only good news I'm going to give you every day. I'm going to give you every day. Good news. I will choke you with good news. I dey wait for you. Oh, Madam Pekle Africa dey wait for you. Come collect this Obonge Christmas promo package, because you need them. You know what's up now, you need them, so come carry on. And the number again is 090-342-96519. And wait.